We're finally having a good time. We had some great laps. I'm excited. Oh, Drift Week.
Drift Day 2.
Drift Day 2.
We had nothing through a week.
Yeah, it's way too early for this.
Yeah.
What happened?
Thomas spun.
Thomas spun.
And I barely clipped him in 3 cars behind us.
Where'd Danny end up?
I was not in there.
Oh, okay.
Danny ended up unscathed.
I am not involved in this.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Well, me and Ken are about to take a lap in my car. Did you grab my helmet?
No, I was coming to look at the carnage.
Oh. Ben's having a good time now. Oil temps are pretty much the only thing keeping us from hot lapping too much, but man, we're pioneering the fuck out of this swap. And DriftHQ got his setup. Oh man. We're having a good time. Are you having a good time?
Always having a good time.
Always having a good time. What about you? Are you having a good time?
I'm having a good time.
That's good. We're all having a good time. Drift Week. Fielding's having a bad time.
I was the car that came up to the right, so I was like, what the fuck is happening here? Like, everyone's facing all the ways, there's cooling all over. I was like, I'm just gonna head out. I'm gonna head out. I'm done.
Thomas spun out and everybody hit him. Yeah, no shit. Woo! Let's check on these guys. Oh no, big pop. What we got going? What's happening?
It's getting a little bit hot.
Yeah?
So we put the Blue Devil and it's kind of working.
Uh-huh.
It's not working 100%, but we're taking it, I would say like 4 laps at a time, taking it off, seeing if it'll cool down and it'll hit whatever crevice that it needs to go to. But I've only done probably 10 laps so far since we've done it, so maybe it'll work, maybe it won't.
Cool, we're catching up in laps.
Right?
I think I did.
I saw you out there. I almost went with you, and I was like, nah, it wouldn't cool down for me to catch up to you.
Yeah, I want to get one tandem in. I think I'm going to get like more crazy.
You haven't tandem in?
No. I'm just like so scared of it going in limp mode, but like I've had great success. He has not.
Huh? Right?
Blue Devil do it?
I don't know. We're trying to find out.
Oh.
It's doing it a little bit at a time.
Yeah?
We keep getting it up hot and then stopping it, letting it cool down.
I think I want to put a thermostat back in this thing.
Oh, you think it's flowing too much?
I think it's flowing too quick.
Oh.
I think it's bypassed the radiator. It's getting hot even quicker than it was
Yesterday
yesterday.
wasn't overheated.
Did DriftHQ bring a thermostat for this?
Maybe. No, we haven't. We took it out. We took it out.
Oh, you took it all the way out.
Yeah,
See, that's not what we talked about earlier.
No, we got it. Take it out.
I gutted it, but I mean, the gutting of this thermostat is literally like a little tiny ring on the outside edge. Like there's not really any flow restriction.
What happened to your little flap?
I took it off because one of the holes was damaged. When I took the bolt out, like it almost snapped on the way out.
Oh,
yeah, so
man.
it'll give me like a couple.
Well,
extra
checking
strips.
in.
I'll
We'll
take
see.
that, crack it off, and put it back.
So good, so.
Steel bar with aluminum crush sections, which did their job very well.
Yeah. Because if there's a welder around, I can weld. Also, DriftHQ Cricket can weld.
Yeah, I mean I can weld too. It's more about the time to make it work.
Yeah.
That needs to be straight.
Does anybody have a
I do not.
style lighter?
For transponders, please get to grid for time.
Okay, so Thomas got in a wreck.
7 minutes to grid.
He's working,
for
so I'm not going to bother him
time
too
attack.
much.
Yeah, I mean, you can ask me questions or whatever. I'm good.
Oh, okay. Well, what happened in your accident?
Basically, I was leading and spun out very, very quickly.
Oh, okay.
Off the long sweeper in the back of the track there. After that turn, we come into the transition and just whipped right around.
What damage did you sustain?
I got a bent fender, broken bumper, the headlight ripped out.
Oh, the headlight ripped
I
out.
took out the wiring, so I'm fixing the wiring now.
Because we have to drive.
I have to drive.
We all have to drive.
Driving.
Yep.
Yeah. So I don't have any more vinyl to fix it up, so whatever stays on the car will stay on the car. Besides that, it'll probably be duct tape. Or if I can find somebody with like some green vinyl.
Oh, shit. Ken, you got green vinyl? Yeah. Okay. Ken got green vinyl.
Yeah, I can paste that bumper back together with whatever. Duct tape.
Well, it's in Houston.
It's not Houston.
Oh.
Which is the next place we're going.
That is. Yeah, we can worry about it then.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go check on.
Like a bunch of people are gonna end up at like a machine.
Yeah.
Sleeping.
Yeah, so I do screen printing, embroidery, vinyl. I actually printed that
Ah, things are stinking. All right, I'm checking on you all now. Oof. This is not looking good. We got some stem damage.
I don't know whose fucking strap this is, dude, but I couldn't imagine using this fucking every day. I fucking use it for like 10 minutes.
Oh, is that your bumper? Shit. The nicest bumper here. Fuck. Well, do you want to talk to us a little bit? I'm sorry.
Dude, it's fucking brutal.
It's brutal. Drift Week Day 2! Fuck! Yeah, it looks like you took the most damage out of everyone, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my MO, I think.
Oh, is it?
So hopefully we can at least drive it the rest of the way.
Oh, man.
Hopefully at least we can drive it the rest of the way. I can find a radiator support tomorrow somewhere, I hope.
Yeah. That's
I'm
what
sure Phoenix will have one, but then I gotta drive a car there with no radiator support in it.
I drove to Phoenix this morning. All right, next. You guys are literally running over the car. All right, you're good. Fucking Ian. Ian, bring me for a ride.
We're doing autocross.
Oh, okay. I don't want to care about no fucking autocross. Yeah, I don't know the batteries, but...
What is it?
Oh, yeah, there you go. You were eyeing me, huh? Well, it was a successful trip. We're gonna call it a night. I don't know what time is it?
11:30.
11:30, and we're gonna call it a night. And tomorrow morning we head to Texas. Okay? What? How you feeling?
Really tired.
Okay, well you
Feel
gotta
good about
sleep
the
in
car, though.
We're feeling good about the car. 60 flashes later.
69 actually.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, coincidentally, it's 69.
Look at all these rocks!
Need to send you through
Fucking
all
rocks
these different
everywhere.
scans and all these different doctors and specialists.
Mountain of the rocks.
Fine tune what's wrong.
Bunch of rocks in
Well,
there.
I think that's, one of the things that we talk about a lot is our politicians will say, our leadership.
you're doing the stretches? Car's doing real good. I'm just gonna check the oil, check the tire pressure, maybe grease some bearings. Oh, you're gonna make it up the rocks? Oh God. Here I come! What was you didn't even go up anything. This isn't even off the ground. What were you doing? Were you being a goat? Parkour. Oh God.
Oh God.
I almost fell on you. Oh yeah. Oh, this is awesome.
This is not safe for my ankles.
Oh, this is so cool.
It's like really grippy though.
Yeah, it's really grippy. Oh God. Do you think you can make it to this one?
No.
Just jump.
Ben's got long legs.
Oh yeah, you convinced me. Here it goes.
If you break, I'm leaving you here.
That's my computer password just in case anything happens.
There's bigger rocks right there. Let's try those. Alright, coming down. Why don't you go for the bigger rocks? This is hilarious. Never mind, I'm not going anywhere.
Oh God.
Are you a cat?
Hold on.
Dude, I cannot die. I have to.
Alright, Instagram pose!
Will y'all be my Instagram boyfriends right now?
And do a yoga pose.
I don't know any yoga poses.
I can't wait for this to be in the vlog.
I just went upward cat pose.
Well. Apparently Mr. Woot was not happy. He was expecting a real TP. Yeah, this is oof. Oh, this is rough.
Yeah.
No. Ah. But we here.
Take a picture.
On the road! Looks like we have a Jason Stacy rolling up on us. Oh yeah! Look at him go! Oh yeah. Cool, man. We're dumb. Big dummies. Big lords. Well, we made it to the halfway point. Fort Stockton. We're gonna sleep here tonight.
Rudy's in his underwear.
I am in my underwear. I don't give a fuck. Oh yeah. Look at those cars, man. We've been cruising.